Right, it's super nasty outside today, but just walking you guys through Chinatown, Chicago on my way back to the car. Wish it was nicer out, I really do, but it is nasty out today. We just had a hot pot at Little Sheep, and there's a place called Little Lamb too that's similar. But
did you tell them they try to talk to me in Chinese?
yeah, so they try to talk to you in Chinese.
Am I look like Chinese?
Let me see if I can get a glimpse into the store, baby. So typical Chinese stuff going on. They got a lot of tourist trap type stores like this place. A lot of them are the same thing. A lot of good restaurants down here. But you can see. I've got my and apparently my flash is on, which I could see in the mirror. I had no idea. So everybody can see I'm filming right now. Yeah. It is for sure nasty out today. Ooh. And no surprise, the people down here have no idea how to drive. I got hit like 3 times when I was trying to park. But you know, when the weather's nice, this place is really cool. You can find cool little shops where you can get good bargains and such. If you want to get away from things, go check out something different. Definitely, I'm only a few hours away from here, so it's a nice getaway. Get some authentic Chinese food. And just getting a change of environment. But you really gotta know which shops are good to go to. So I think that's about it. I don't have much to say today. I'm freezing to death. It's cold, it's rainy. So I will let you guys go. I'm getting ready to head back home. I had a fun weekend in Chicago. So I'm finally here back in my car. I will talk to you guys later.